Oyiko.
Are you mad? Make I no talk joke. Oyiko don't come out now. Oyiko relax. I don't agree that I do one joke. I go for what? Even the joke said now by force. I'm mad they go. Now they go because I don't know. They know they impress the Gondo people. Anybody from outside come? They are all Ligondo. You get one this way they rain now, Dorime. Please, I want to advise you, if you are not from my land, you don't understand that song, don't use it in club. Don't even go play club. DJ, you get Dorime. Play am first. The DJ be like Dorime.
Dorime. Interimo ad appare Dorime.
DJ, pause am. Only this joke I will go. Now Dorime be the title. What did I say? Now the title be that. This Dorime I dey go show for Lekio for Aja. Una no Cubana. Okay, this guy is back. You don't call people who go beat me. Sit down. You carry girl. You tell her excuse me. You go call another girl. And she sit down. She sit down quietly. And they say na guys they be maga. My sister, you are a maga. Only one joke. Now I go do one. Now Dorime. What will be the title? Thank you. If you pass one, chase me out. Now this Dorime, DJ play am again.
Dorime. Interimo.
If you no get money, no try am o. I enter taxify, they go Aja. Hold up there, now the taxify guy go pass in front of Cubana. As he pass, last week here night they play this on higher. Now pass with the pass. DJ hold on. As we they go, as we pass Cubana, they hear this thing. The driver begin cry. This life is wicked. The person that sang Dorime, God will punish him. The DJ when they play Dorime will not make heaven. Serious cry. Make we for no get accident and say, oh God, park. What is the problem? He say Dorime. No be Dorime. You see Dorime.
My voice said it.
You see this Dorime? I said, what did you do? Dorime. You know, say, you get where you go cry, come put. This matured man, he cry, and I said, calm down. He said, Dorime. By now, I know how much for them my account. Last week, now I finished the burial of my father. He leave will for me 20 million, 20. After the burial, I spent 5 million. I still get like 15 million sit down my account. Now, Ejike, my friend for Egbeda, he said, make it take me out. Make I feel forget my bereaved. You see, big English, they keep people. Bereaved now, who loves somebody. Say, you want to take away? That's all. The guy, they cry, they tell me the gist. I say, they don't carry me go the dance where I know. We don't go La Siva. We don't even go Ikeja. They carry me on this Cubana. So as we enter now here,
Interimo ad appare
my friend, we can't enter.
Amen.
DJ bring her down. As we enter, they play Dorime. I just see some people, they do hand like this. They go come carry drink for casket. DJ play. DJ stop am. So as they do hand, they go drop am. I go say, okay, maybe now this thing they trend. Maybe they don't know say nah better. I from nine myself. I do hand like this. Play. They go. my friends, they rush am. So I said, Shebina to do hand. Now I do again.
Interrimo ad appare dorime. Amen.
DJ, wait. Now they bring the second one. They drop am. My friend, they went no guesses. They rush am. I never know how much they say drink. Now I do the third one. DJ, wait. Now when they drop the third one, I just see Bansa, the waka go where they. I go say I go pay now, no be by force. So Bansa come ask me, say, brother, you be ritualist. I said no. Now he calls me, you be politician. I said no, now I be human being. Why they ask me this kind of question? Now he say because you don't do 3 hand. Because all the ritualists where they come here, now 2 they do.
Please let's give it up for M.O.G. AKPORS.
They don't let me finish the joke. So good night. My name is M.O.G. AKPORS.